what's actually the point of something like AirTags when you can get 4 trackers for just £19.99 that do basically the same job? Well, these are the NOVOO Smart Tag Trackers, and after using these on my keys and wallet, the two things I actually lose most, here's whether you need to spend Apple money to solve this problem. Quick disclaimer before we do get into this review, NOVOO did send these over for review. However, this is not a sponsored video, this doesn't change any of my opinions, and every one of those opinions are my own, so nothing changes what you're about to hear. Honestly, my first reaction to unboxing these in our unboxing video, which you can check out on the channel, was just how small they are. I expected something a few inches across, and these are barely an inch. Properly tiny, and on the pictures, they actually looked a lot bigger than they came out of the box in. Properly light as well, and the kind of thing that you genuinely wouldn't notice sitting on a keyring or in a wallet. In the box, you get all 4 NOVOO tags, 4 lanyard-style straps to attach them to whatever you're tracking, and an instruction manual. Nothing complicated, they just plug straight into your life and away you go. Now this is the bit that actually fully sold me on these trackers. The NOVOO tags work directly within Apple's Find My app. No separate app to download, you don't have to remember an extra login, there's nothing else cluttering up your storage on your phone. I've already got about 20 apps for loads of different smart devices around the house, so a tracker that just slots into an ecosystem that I already use every day is a genuine relief compared to a lot of other products these days. The setup was pairing these in, honestly, seconds. You just press the button on the back, it shows up in Find My, you tap connect, and you're done. They're officially certified for both Apple's Find My and also Google's Find My device running on an Aroha chipset. One thing the listing doesn't shout about though is that each tag only works on one platform at a time, so you can't have a tag live on Apple and Android simultaneously, you'd have to reset the whole thing to switch it over. Not an issue for me because I'm a solely Apple user, I have only Apple products, but if you were hoping to sort of share a tag across an iPhone and an Android household, then that's also something that's worth knowing up front. Once these things are paired, the NOVOO tag gives you a live location straight in Find My, and you can trigger an 80 decibel alarm to track it down if it's nearby. And it is genuinely loud enough to hear through sofa cushions or within a packed bag. Bluetooth range is around 40 meters, and once you're outside of that, it falls back on the Find My network to report its last known position, refreshing every couple of minutes in built-up areas. What you don't get though is precision finding, the ultra-wideband feature on AirTags that puts an arrow on screen pointing you directly to the item. You get a location on a map and a sound to hone in on, which for keys down the back of a sofa or a wallet in a bag is honestly all I've really needed. And here's something that I didn't actually expect going into this. The battery is actually replaceable on this device. I genuinely assumed with trackers like this that once the battery died, that was it, you just got to chuck it away and buy a new one. But the NOVOO tag uses a standard CR2032 battery, so when it does eventually run out after around 6 months to a year, you can swap it out and keep the same tag going, which for me completely changes that value equation. In terms of build and design, these are plastic, light, and small enough to disappear onto a keyring or into a wallet without adding any noticeable bulk. They're only about 32 millimeters across and only 8.4 millimeters thick, so genuinely coin-sized. They don't feel flimsy either, despite the size. They feel solid enough for daily knocks in a bag or in your pocket when they're on your keys. Two practical things to flag as well. They are IPX5 rated, which covers rain and splashes, but not being dunked. So these aren't for anything for going underwater. And they also come with fabric loops rather than proper metal keyrings, which these work fine and these have been fine for me. But if you do want something a little bit more solid on your keys, then you may end up buying a keyring for these sold separately. Before we do get into my overall verdict of these NOVOO Smart Tags, if you would like to check them out, then check out the link in the description. That is an Amazon affiliate link, which does help support the channel if you make any purchases through that link. That's not just these, if you purchase anything on Amazon through our link, it helps support the channel greatly. So thank you to everyone that's using our links. So let's actually answer the question in the title and at the beginning of the video properly, because the maths has shifted recently. AirTags, I found, used to be quite difficult to justify, but Apple actually dropped the price on the latest generation. So you're now looking at around £29 for a single and £99 for a 4-pack at RRP, and quite regularly they turn up closer to around £80 for a 4-pack. The new one's also got a louder speaker and better precision finding range. So the honest comparison is roughly £5 a tag for these versus around £20 to £25 a tag like you can get with the AirTags. I mean, that's still 4 to 5 times the price, and what the extra money buys you with the AirTags is mainly the precision finding, that arrow on your screen that walks you to the exact spot. I suppose plus a tougher IP67 water rating and of course Apple's own build. But is it worth it? So that brings us to the question of what is the point of paying AirTag prices? I've actually owned AirTags before, and I'm not using them anymore, and using these NOVOO tags on my keys and wallet has reminded me why. You're getting exactly the same Find My integration, an alarm loud enough to actually find things, and a replaceable battery so that the tag isn't just disposable once it dies. And for £19.99 for 4, I would buy these again without hesitation. If you're the kind of person who loses things in genuinely difficult places and you want that arrow pointing you directly to it, or you need something that's actually properly waterproof, then pay that Apple premium. But for everyone else and for everything else, like keys, wallet, a bag, luggage, then the NOVOO tags do the job for a fraction of the money. And honestly, that's exactly what I wanted from them. If this review has helped you out, then of course make sure to leave a like rating on this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any of our future tech content. Of course, if you'd like to check out these products for yourself and pick up maybe some of these smart tags, or of course anything else on Amazon, our affiliate link is down there in the description, and any purchases made through there does help support the channel greatly, so thank you for all of your support on there. Check out this video on the screen as well. This is the unboxing video for the NOVOO Smart Tag. It goes a little bit more in depth of what you actually get in the box and what they feel like upon first impressions. Thank you so much for watching this review, and we'll see you in the next one.